This is the Bison submachine gun. Its mag uses a helical feed. It has a capacity of 64 rounds. Center of the drum is a spindle. Spindle with helix is like screw pump. Spindle rotation sends bullets to the chamber one by one. One advantage, no need to compress spring to load. Rate of fire 650 to 700 rounds per minute. Powerful, sustained suppressing fire. This is the Winchester Model 74.22 LR rifle. First, pull the iron bar at bottom. Then, load bullets one by one into the stock's round hole. Holds 12 rounds at once. After loading, put the bar back. Next is Stevens Model 75.22 LR pump action rifle. Its bullets are loaded in short tube under barrel. Tilt the barrel to load. Put the bar back after loading. Fires very quickly. Compared to modern guns, these old guns' operations, complex and unique, like new.